Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in the last lecture, we studied about what are variables and how we can assign value to variables and how we can print any value of the variable. In today's class, we will look at what is string. So let me tell you one thing. In Python, if you start any line with hash, so it is not executed in Python. Okay, so you can use hash if you want to give any information of your code in Python. So let us say that I want to describe what is string. So in programming language, a text is called as text. A text is called a string. Okay, string. So we can call string. Uh, it is like a sequence of characters. Okay, sequence of characters. And as I have put hash here, so it will not be executed by the Python. Okay, so how to define string? Okay, we know what is variable. Okay, so let us give the name. So name is a variable and say Vinay. So name is a variable and this is string. So how can we distinguish numbers from string? Okay, because variable is storage. What is variable? That is storing the value of a number or string. If a equal to 2, in the last lecture we looked at, if like a equal to 2, so this is a number and this is a variable. But here name is a variable and I have put my name inside double quotes. Okay, so when I put something inside double quotes, it is called as string. Okay, so and if I want to print this, then it will print Vinay. Other way around, you can also put the name in single quotes. Okay, like it could be Sachin. So and if you print Sachin, if you print name underscore one, it will print Sachin. So you can define your string either in single quotes or double quotes. Okay, no issue. Or you can, so it is basically sequence of character. You can also write like it could be anything. Okay, my mind has too many tabs open. Okay, so this is also a string. Let us print this string and my mind has too many tabs open. Okay, or you can say like that string, you can define other string in double quotes. Come out of your comfort zone. Get out of the door. Get out of that. And if you print string 2, so it will print come out of your comfort zone, get out of that door. So that's how you can define string in Python. and you have to take care of this quotes. If you are using double quote, so you have to end with a double quote. If you are ending with a single quote, so it will create a problem. This is end of line while scanning string literal. So EOL is end of line. Okay, what is EOL here is, it is end of line. This is end of line. So while scanning string literal. Okay, so what is string literal here? So like this is the variable name. Okay, this is variable name, and anything the value that is assigned to the variable name is Sachin, so it is a literal. Here, come out of your comfort zone, get out of that door. This is a literal. So it is saying that end of line while scanning string literal. Okay, so at the end of the line, it was not able to find the double quote. I repeat, at the end of the line, when it was executing, it was not able to find double quote. So that's why this is the error. But if you print double quote, the error is gone. Okay. So that's how you define strings. And also you have to take care of one thing, that if you are writing something like let us say the same statement, okay, or it could be anything. I'm from Mars, or no, I'm from Jupiter, and let us say that you forget to close that string. Same error, end of line while scanning string literal. At the end of the line, it was expecting that there should be a double quote, but there is no double quote. So you have to put the double quote here as well. And when you execute, so there is no problem, and you can print the string. Okay, so that's, you have to take care of these things. If you are using single quote, if you are using single quote and also not closing the string literal, you will get the same error. You will get the same error. So do not forget to close the string. Okay, I'm from Jupiter. Also, if you're writing something string equal to, let us say, string 4 equal to, you write, say, don't quit. Okay, so you write don't quit, and when you execute this, see what happens. Invalid syntax. So this is syntax error. Okay, why this error is there? Because when the string 4 is executed, the single colon is here, it is end with the single colon. It's okay. Why the hell he is doing here? Why is this single quote is here? And Python is not so smart like humans. It cannot differentiate. Single quote for it, simple that it is used to define a string, or you could use something like string 5, let us say hello. You can say hello, or are you going something? Are you going to uh, Delhi? Okay. So here you are starting with the double quote and you are ending with the double quote. But is it right? Let's see. Again, invalid syntax because you started with a double quote, you ended with a double quote. Why? What is this extra double quote? Is why is this extra double quote is here? Why? Because Python is not so smart to distinguish this line. It is just a sequence of character for it. That's all. So how to avoid these type of errors? We will see in the next lecture. So what we what we learn through what we learned today is that what is string. String is any text. Any text is called string in programming language. It is a sequence of characters. So string we can define in double quotes or in single quotes. Okay, in double quotes or in single quotes. And when you start string with a single quote, you have to end it with a single quote. If you start the string with double quote, you have to end the same with a double quote. And what if you are using more than one quote in the same string? How to remove this error, that we will see in the next lecture. So stay in touch and keep watching. Thank you.